Google has updated its logo after nearly a decade, replacing solid color blocks with a gradient design for a more modern and fluid look. The new logo, already appearing in the Google Search app for iOS, maintains the four characteristic colors, blue, red, yellow, and green, but blends them with a gradient effect. This change aligns with the aesthetic of recent Google products like Gemini AI and the AI mode in its search engine. The previous redesign, in 2015, introduced the product sans typeface and a capitalized G icon with distinct colors. This new design shifts to a more continuous visual approach, reflecting current visual trends and ensuring the logo looks good on various screen sizes. This update follows Android's 2024 logo redesign, and further Google services may adopt this style, potentially announced at Google I/O 2025.